They've been arresting migrants who trespass onto private property. Their efforts, part of the governor's border security initiative. Channel 5's Santiago Caicedo spoke with the attorney representing some of the migrants behind bars tonight.
For several months, hundreds of migrants have been behind bars at this state prison in Edinburgh.
They're concerned as to why they're even in the criminal justice system in the first place.
Attorney Kristen Eder represents some of the men arrested by Texas DPS, who she says were looking to ask for asylum, not land in state prison. From the road, you can hear some of them in the courtyard of the Segovia unit. But as time passes, many have not been formally charged with a crime, and some have not been given a court date, which attorneys say is violating their constitutional rights. Their alleged crime, entering private property without permission after crossing the border illegally. Some of the attorneys representing the migrants say official documents sometimes don't even have the location of the property they allegedly trespassed.
And when that happens, then there's basically no valid charge on the books holding our clients in custody.
Amrutha Jindal also represents some of the migrants. Last week, a judge handling cases in Kinney County near Del Rio decided to throw out the trespassing charges for nearly 30 migrants and release them from prison. There wasn't enough evidence to show the men committed a crime. Attorneys say the ordeal has nothing to do with immigration.
What we're really talking about here is how should our criminal justice system operate? And what we've seen happening at the border is that it is not operating according to the Constitution. And for that reason, all people, citizens and non-citizens, should be offended.
She adds it could be one group of people being arrested. The next, it could be you.
We reached out to the Kinney County judge and attorney for reaction, but we haven't heard back. Meanwhile, the attorneys say they will continue to fight the cases of migrants that are held behind bars in state prisons. In Edinburgh, Santiago Caicedo, Channel 5 News.